Hi guys, this is an Eat Explore. Today we're going to talk about how to name your website effectively or how to find the right domain name. So this is for the guys who ever think they have an idea they want to write or they want to make a blog or a website, but they still can't figure it out, like how to find the effective name or right name to reach their audience. So for this thing we're going to use Google, and we're going to need these two things, which is Google, normal Google search engine, and it's better to use a desktop, not to use your phone, because phone is kind of like regional. And by using the desktop you can change the region or the country, and then you can reach specific searches. And then the other one is Google Adwords. To make AdWord account you're gonna need to live, or you can ask if you have any of friend who live in these countries to make one email address for you, and by using that one you can log in. Or else if you live in any of these countries, it's not a big issue for you guys, and you can take a screenshot or check the below video. You can find this list always. This is AdWord. So there is an option which is called keywords. So keywords, you can find like how many searches for 1 month, and this is the Google. So let's say overall, like, you have an idea, like something to write, and then you don't know what to do. Like, you have a word, let's say kite. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go here and then you're gonna type and then add, and then you're gonna see like there is 673,000 searches per 1 month. So let's say now you choose this word kite. Of course you can't have www.kite.com, which is not available, so you have to add something. So instead of just Kite or Michael or Joseph or whatever you put in your name, you can think about something more effectively, what people search, and then you can rely on that word when you name the second part of the domain name or your website name. So let's say you have kite, and then what you're gonna do, you're simply gonna type kite, and then you're gonna write down all of these, and then you're gonna go back to AdWord and you're gonna search. And then the very first thing what you're gonna do, you're gonna take a pen and a paper and then kite A, and then you're gonna write down these things. You're gonna go back here, look for the searches, and then you're gonna go to B and do the same thing, and then you're gonna go C and then D all the way down to C or Z. And this is where you're gonna end up writing all these words, and then at the same time you're gonna look at the searches and then you're gonna count. Example, let's say when you type kite and then C, consulting or cricket or cartoon, let's say kite cartoons has so many searches here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna rely on the second word with the letter C, because many people they type kite and then a space, and to type clothing, I'm not accurate with this number, I'm just telling you have to search. You have to search with the word that you need to have on your domain name. I'm just telling example. Let's say it's not kite, let's say it's apple, and then you're gonna do the same thing, apple A and then B, whatever. You're gonna find out where the searches are mostly coming with which letter. Let's say apple and then B, and then you're gonna rely on apple and then B. That's where you're gonna find your name, the second half of your name. This is very effective because in the end you're gonna know how many searches and how many people are looking for that specific subject or specific words, and moreover you're going to know what are the other words that are that is relatively associated with the word. So let's say Apple, and then Apple UK, Apple Watches, Apple Store, Apple ID, Apple TV. You can use all of these. If you use this word, you can use all of these as hashtag or as keywords in your post or subdomains. So when you have the name, when you have the letter, let's say, now let's go back to kite, and then let's say kite and then K. This is the most searches are coming. Let's say here, kite kids, cat, or kit, or whatever, and then you rely on kite, and then let's say you decide to put kite kit and it is not available, let's say, and then you kits, or you do little changes, let's say kite or whatever, and then you're gonna go to Google domain, and then you're gonna search here kite kit. Let's search. I wasn't logged in actually, that's why. So when you search kite kit, see, kitekit.com is available, page guide tools, and there are also more. kitekits.com is available, and you're gonna come to know what are the available sites, and then you're gonna search for one which is not, if you want premium one, of course you can go. If you need a normal one, and then you can double check here, typing kite kit, how many search. It's very little amount. I was just using it as a sample. Of course, don't follow these instructions. I'm helping you guys out to find how. And let's say another word, instead of kite, let's say baby driver names, baby, let's say baby names, and then baby names. That's a lot. 823,000. So let's say we need to find a domain with the baby name. It's not available. Solutions on dog. So these are the newborn names. Babywords.com is available, but it's very expensive. You can go show more and check. So guys, basically this is it. So if you think this video is useful, and then if you want to have more videos like this, give me a thumbs up. Just help me to grow this channel by subscribing my channel as well. I'm planning to do a lot of more videos like this. I don't know how easy this video is for you guys to understand, but hopefully please comment if you have any difficulties, or if